Honor Malaysia has just announced the arrival of the Honor 400 series, and guess what? Malaysia is one of the first countries to launch it even ahead of the brand's home market. And right here I've got the Honor 400 Pro for a quick unboxing and hands-on. Let's dive in. Inside the box you'll find the Honor 400 Pro, a SIM injector pin, a soft TPU case, a USB-C charging cable, and a power brick. Now let's take a closer look at the device. It features a quad curved AMOLED display with a tiny island camera cutout at the top. The bezels are narrow yet symmetrical. While on the back you see a triple rear camera setup, and the phone is available in 3 color options: Midnight Black, Luna Grey, and this standout marble light Title Blue. There's no camera control, AI camera buttons here like the one found on the Honor 400 Lite. However, the Honor 400 series brings a powerful suite of AI features, including AI Eraser 2.0, AI Cutout, AI Outpainting, and AI Upscale. I'll cover those in more details in my next camera focus video, so stay tuned. I can't review full specifications just yet, but I can tell you the Honor 400 Pro feels solid, light yet premium in the hand. Prices haven't been announced, but you can expect a reasonable price tag offering a well-balanced flagship performance just like its predecessor, the Honor 200 series. That's it for the quick unboxing. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.